The 60th Munich Security Conference is set to take place from the 16th to the 18th of February in Munich, Germany.
In his opening remarks, MSC Chairman Christoph Haskin expressed hope that participants look for silver linings in their discussions on the pressing security challenges against the backdrop of increasing geopolitical rivalry and economic uncertainty. Ongoing conflicts, including the Ukraine crisis and the Israel-Hamas conflict, will be discussed at the three-day conference. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres said in his opening speech that the global community is more fragmented and divided than at any time during the past 75 years. Guterres referred to this year's edition of the Munich Security Report, published on Monday, which warned of the lose-lose dynamics of intergovernmental interactions amid growing geopolitical tensions and rising economic uncertainty. Inaugurated in 1963, the MSC is an international platform for high-level discussions on global security issues and a venue for diplomatic initiatives to address security concerns.